So while I was pondering other quirky things I could do, I thought about how about a motorcycle stoplight. So this is an 8x8 WS2812 LED panel running off 5 volts. Got an Arduino Uno. So over here is a stoplight. So you got your marker on at the moment, and that's stop illuminated. That's left turn. So you got amber on the left. That's right turn. So you got amber on the right. Then you got emergency, which alternates between brake and amber like that. So that's a nice idea for a motorcycle stoplight. Quite nice and bright. Certainly gets your attention and is visually quite appealing. I like it. So as always, the code for this is in a pinned comment. Free for you to use and play with and experiment with and redevelop. Have some fun. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Our project for the moment. Have an awesome day further, and I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Take care. Bye.